Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I am here with an incredible deal that I'm going to show you guys for Saturday. Now, you can do this deal before Saturday if you want, but I'm choosing to wait until Saturday because that's what makes it unbelievable. But before I get into it, if you guys are not a subscriber to my channel on YouTube, I'm asking that you go ahead and you hit that subscription button and then pound that bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on any of the savings. If you're watching me on Facebook, then hit that follow button and you'll get notified every time. So guys, this is a good deal that we're going to do, but in order to do this deal, you will need to make sure that you have your Ibata app downloaded. If you have not downloaded Ibata, make sure you do that. And then make sure that you have your Dollar General app linked to your Ibata. With Ibata and Dollar General, you can no longer submit your receipts. It's been like that for a while. But some people are forgetting to link their account. So you have to make sure that you link your Dollar General account with your Ibata account. For those of you that are new to Ibata, when you actually scan your first rebate into Ibata, you're going to get an extra $5. So if you're new to Ibata and you're going to do this deal that I'm going to show you, then it really makes for a nice deal. So as you guys can see behind me, I'm in the baby aisle. You see all those diapers and Pampers. So that's what we're going to do a deal on. We're going to get some really cheap Huggies. Okay, let me turn the camera around to show you guys exactly what we're going to do. So you want to make sure that you grab a pack of Huggies that have at least 40 diapers in it. Okay, so with that being said, none of the small packs, the bags, are going to work. You're going to have to get a box of diapers. Okay, so at my Dollar General, and I don't know about your Dollar Generals, but at my Dollar General, the only boxes that they sell are the Snug and Dry. So your store may sell the little Snugglers and all of that, but my store only sells the Snug and Dry. So use box as an example. Okay, so this is a size 3, but you can get any size that you want. You don't have to get the size 3s. Okay, the only thing that you can't get in the box are the little swimmers or the little movers. You have to either get the little Snugglers, the Snug and Dry, or the special delivery, and it has to be a 40 count or larger. Okay, so that's why I'm going to use this box as an example. So these Huggies are $25.50. Now guys, I need you to listen to me closely, because if you do not follow this the way that I'm telling you to do this, it won't work. And you're not going to get the money back on Ibata, and you're going to pay a lot out of pocket for these diapers. Okay, so first you want to go into your Ibata app and you want to make sure, well, let's start with the DG app. Scan these into your DG app to make sure that you have the right price. Okay, so these are $24.50. Now, when I scan these into my app, you see that this $3 earn cash back came up. So that is $3 that I could earn as cash back on the Dollar General app. So if you don't have Ibata, you don't want to fool with Ibata, you don't want to do Ibata, and you want to pay more out of pocket than what I'm paying, then go ahead and hit that cash back. But if you want to get the incredible deal that I'm going to show you, do not add that cash back to your account, because you can't claim Dollar General cash back and an Ibata rebate. The Ibata rebate is the better way to go. You get more bang for your buck. You're going to save more. It's less out of pocket. So if you do this deal and you don't want to use Ibata and you want to use the cash back and you're waiting until Saturday, you're going to pay $25. You're going to have $25.50 ring up at the register. That's what you're going to pay out of pocket. Then you're going to clip the 5 off 25. Okay, so then that means your total is going to be $20.50. You're going to get the $3 cash back. Okay, so then that means you're going to pay $17.50 out of pocket for a $25.50 box of Huggies. You might think that's good. I don't, because I know there's a better way to do this deal. So let me show you the way I'm going to do it. So I'm not adding this to my account, okay? I'm going to purchase these Huggies. I'm going to clip the 25 off 25 for Saturday, okay? So that means at the register, I'm going to pay $20.50, all right? Because my Dollar General account is linked to my Ibata account, I'm going to get this rebate right here, which is $5 off Huggies Diapers for select varieties, 50 count or larger. It excludes the little swimmers and the little movers. Offer must be added to your account. So do you see why I say you get the better bang for your buck if you do it the Ibata way? Because you're going to get the $5 off for spending $25, and then you're going to get $5 back from Ibata. I don't know why this is not clear. One second. Okay. So that's going to be a total of $10 back that you're going to get. So basically, this box of diapers is going to cost you $15.50. Now, your savings doesn't end there. Make sure that you have your Fetch app downloaded. Fetch has partnered with Huggies. So you get points for every dollar that you spend on Huggies, okay? So you get 10 points for every dollar that you spend. That's a lot of points for spending $15 on Huggies. But they also have a Huggies program where you get extra rewards, where when you reach a certain amount, you get gift cards and all of that. Just a warning to you guys. If you guys are part of the Fetch Huggies rewards program, make sure that you hurry up and reach your spend threshold to get your points, to get your extra gift cards, because that program is ending very, very soon. With this rebate and this deal, this is a good way for you to earn your points quickly to finish up those offers to get your gift cards. So like with me, I'm going to show you, I can't get the gift cards anymore. See, let me turn this around. I'm at my limit. I got $50 worth of gift cards already because I already spent $924 in Huggies. So I can't get it. I'm done. But I know there are some of you guys who haven't completed the program. So this is a great way for you to complete the program. Remember, it is ending very soon. I'm going to turn it so you guys can see. See, ending soon, Huggies Rewards Program. Thanks for participating in the Huggies Rewards Program. All offers and milestone achievements related to Huggies Awards Plus end indefinitely on 3/31. So that means you need to have all your points and meet all your spend thresholds by March 31st in order to earn those points to cash in those gift cards. So like I said, this is a great way to do it, okay? So guys, let me know how you end up doing your deal if you do it now. If you do the deal now, then the box of diapers will cost you $20.50. Still a great deal. Plus all of your Fetch points. If you wait until Saturday, it'll cost you $15.50. I'm waiting till Saturday, and you guys know I hate Dollar General on Saturdays because of all the people that are in here. I can't take it with my anxiety, but I'm going to wait until Saturday to do this deal because that is an excellent deal, and I'd rather pay $15.50 than pay $20.50. So guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Come back, let me know if you waited until Saturday or if you did the deal now. And until the next time, keep on saving.